What's going on, people? Alex Thorn here, and this is Thorn Tech. And I've been interested in the official Insta360 Explorer kit since I saw it come out about a year ago. But I also ended up finding the price being a little steep for me. And I saw this alternative on Amazon from GOVEE called the official Street Grip Kit for the Insta360, and I want to show it to you here today. It comes in this box right here, and very simple presentation. Open it up, nothing to it, just this and this, nothing more. That's it, right? So we can get rid of that now, and this is what you have. This was all included on there. So right away, what stood out to me, number one, was this piece right here. On the official Insta360 grip kit, this is a key that's hidden and tucked away in here that you have to take this part out and have that in there. This is already here, and you can remove this piece. First, you slide off this top piece right here, as you do. This is on the official Insta360, as you see. And now on the Street Grip Kit, loosen that up, and boom, you've got this piece off. Now you've got an official metal case. And in this metal case, you have a couple features, right? You can put your Insta360 camera in there, as you see right here. I'm going to take off the media piece that I always have on there. I'm not going in water anytime soon, so that's fine. I'm going to put this in here, as you see. You close that up. You've got access to everything still. I'm going to put this right back. It does not affect it. Boom. So you still have access to charging, and you still have access to your media, which is your 3.5 millimeter. And then on this end, you still have right here, and it's not as hard. This is another thing about the official Insta360 case. When I saw people reviewing it, that they were saying that this is a really hard thing to do. This is not hard at all. You just press that and use two fingers. You press it, and that's it. Press it, and that's it. Or you can press it and take it with the other finger, and it's off. And then now you have access to your actual battery. Boom, there it is. You still have access to your batteries, your extra batteries. Put that back in there. Close this up. And now you have an official steel cage. Right away, right? What stuck out to me is that you have an area for a light. There's a big, big light. This is from Newer. And you still have that space to use this, put this on here. I don't have that piece that comes for it. I gotta grab that. But you still have that to put on here, right? And let's say you want to use it on here. You still have your street grip, and you have the official spot for it. Look, not a problem. You still have your spot for it right there. And then, of course, what this gives you now, once you take off this piece, is you have a spot to put it on. Now you can actually shoot vertically. That's an accessory piece. That's another accessory piece you would have to buy, but you get it here, and you get so much more with this, right? Because again, what you can do is put this back in here. By the way, this is magnetic, which I don't know if the official Street Grip or the official Explorer kit is magnetic, but this one is, which is awesome. You don't have to worry about losing this piece, the key, because the key is on here. It's automatically on there. This is something they could have fixed. And boom, right? So we've got that. Then we've got this piece right here. This is what makes it so special. It's got a soft piece right here. And then all you're going to do in this is place this here. You're going to push it in. And now, not only do you have a full-blown camera grip, street grip as they say, you still have access, once you take this piece out, to yet again put any accessory you want up here. That's what's so amazing about this. So it fixes things. And here's the other thing. It is only $50 for this street grip kit. from Cam Cozy. And I'll link that down below. And they were so kind to send it out. Again, one of the other things you can do while you still have this is, again, you can still have this here. You still have the 1/4 inch right at the bottom. So now you've got this whole piece. You don't even have to take anything off if you're going to film. You still have your space for your media kit. You still can charge it. You can still put this on any accessory you want. You still got it. No issues whatsoever. Is it heavier? Yes, but this is going to give you that ability to treat this with the care that it deserves to be treated with. And of course, because it's so versatile, right? Because the Insta360 is so versatile, you can still pop this up, this lens, and you've got so many different angles you can work from. As you can see, you can still use this. You can still flip the screen up right there. You can still flip it up. If that's a problem, remember on the side of the Insta360, you can actually go through the modes with the power button to settle if it's a problem that you can't see. But if it is, let's say you want it facing you, right? All you have to do is slide the top part out, right? Real easy. And then you've got full access to your touchscreen once again. If that's an issue of you seeing it, you can still work your button via the, of course, the hand gestures, the palm, the peace sign, but you can also use the top button still. They actually add a layer right there on top of the grip kit that you can see. So it's very cool. And then once you're done, if it's an issue, like I said, all you have to do is slide this piece right back on, real easy, and boom, you're right back in action. I absolutely love the design of this case. I love the color. They do have it in black. Cam Cozy has just been awesome with this edition, and they let me know that they are also coming out with a Bluetooth version of their Street Grip kit. And if you want to know more about that, leave a comment down below. I'm digging Cam Cozy. I absolutely love this option. It is nice. It is heavy. It fixes issues from the Explorer grip kit from Insta360. And I think Cam Cozy is the one to watch out for when it comes to Insta360 street grip accessories. I'm Alex Thorn, and you know what I got to do. I got to rock out, play with some tech, and review it for you.